Hello friends, myself Yoragesh. Now I'm going to unbox HDMI cable of Amazon basis, which I brought it from Amazon for rupees 500. This is the unboxing video. Now I have already unboxed the video, so just for reference I'm showing. Here you can see the Amazon basics packing. Here you can see the Amazon basics high speed HDMI cable, 6 feet latest standard. uh, it means 2 meters. Okay, this is the HDMI cables, and here you can see the cover ports. See, this is the rubber one. Okay, I will put it, and it's a male to male one. Here you can see the HDMI 3D logo, and here you can see the Amazon basics. At the back side also Amazon basics and HDMI, and it's a corrosion resistant one, and it's a brass coated. Okay friends, thanks for watching the video. Hello friends, myself Yoragesh. Now I'm going to unbox HDMI cable of Amazon basis, which I brought it from